dinosaurs were the biggest, baddest creatures to ever roam the Earth. But then poof, gone. What really happened? Was it an asteroid, a volcano, a time-traveling villain? Let's find out. Prehistoric Earth. Ew. Maybe he has allergies. But let's focus. What do we think happened to the dinosaurs? The theories. A 10-kilometer wide asteroid hit the Earth about 66 million years ago. It smashed into the Earth, causing firestorms, earthquakes, and a giant dust cloud. Scientists know this happened because of a huge crater they found and were able to tell roughly when it happened. Yeah, that would not have been a good day for the dinosaurs. Some scientists think that there are super volcanoes that spewed enough toxic gas to turn Earth into a dino death trap. Good luck, guys. Remember, invent some gas masks. Some say that extreme weather changes could have wiped out food sources, leading to one of the biggest diet fails in history. Pour one out for the plant-eating dinos. They ran out of food and then had to run away from being food. They had it rough. So which theory is right? Actually, all of them. Scientists believe it was a deadly combination of asteroid, volcanoes, climate change, and all equals bye-bye dinos. But surprise, some dinosaurs actually survived. These are their modern-day cousins, birds. So technically, those dino-shaped chicken nuggets are just completing the circle of life. Well, that's RIP to the dinos, but not the chickens. They're thriving and delicious. Oops, time travel side effects. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to see what the next big question is.
Looks like I got off that planet just in time.